Okay guys, I'm back in Michigan. My boys from LC&S Customs. Today I'm going to do a video of how to ungovern a V-twin brigs. The only reason I'm doing this is I got to pull this sub pan off because it's leaking like hell. Oil pumps here, governor here. I've already took all the pan bolts out and haven't broke it loose yet. In order to do this, a lot of guys are going to bitch, whine and cry that they wouldn't do it like that. Well, I've been doing this for a very long time and ain't never had an issue. First thing you want to do is you want to loosen this bolt. Get this to move back and forth on the governor arm. Take all your bolts out. By the way, guys, I don't own any rights to this music playing in the background, so. But here we go. We're just going to tap on the edges. Simple as that. See how it popped right up? Now take a big screwdriver. You might need to pry this open just a little bit to get it to slide off. So, or a little tap. There. Simple as that, guys. Now, just pull straight up. Nice and easy. Oil pump still intact. What do you know? Look what I just found. Broken push rod. And I know this motor runs. But that tells me somebody had an issue with it at one point and never dug it out. Okay guys, at this point, to ungovern these motors, it's so simple, it's stupid. This is where your governor linkage rides. That tab moves up and down. I don't know if you can see it, how well you can see it. That pushes on the governor gear. I don't take that rod out. And I'll explain why in just a minute. But how to ungovern this, grab this gear, pull off. There's a big washer on there, thrust washer, opens up. Don't need that. Ungoverned. Leave the rod. You don't want to mess with the block. Some guys are going to bitch, whine and cry, take it out, take it out, take it out. Well, like I said, I've been doing this for a very long time and never had an issue. Might want to take this opportunity to wipe out the bottom of your pan. Dry all the surfaces off. Both mating surfaces. Now this motor is leaking so bad, there's quite a bit of the gasket material missing right here. So, my solution, once again, not yours, not anybody else's, it's my solution. So, you can bitch, whine, and cry all you want. I get the black silicone RTV. This stuff works great. Gas and oil resistant. Costs like $6–7 a tube, which ain't no big deal to me. It's well worth it because I don't use it very often, so it hangs around. Now, you can do this however you want. Buy the new gasket, wait on it forever. Or do this and solve the issue once and for all. I run a bead all the way around once I get it coming through. around all the bolt holes. I hate working with gloves on. Probably should have cut tip a little bit bigger, but that's all right. Sorry guys, I know this is a boring part, but needs to be done. Any spot that you see is a thin spot, go back and put a little bit extra. Right here. This corner. Right here. And this bolt hole. Okay. At this point, as long as you ain't turned your motor at all, your oil pump should line right back up. A lot of guys opt to take it out, to take that little cover off, and put it back on. That way, after they put the pan on. 9 times out of 10, you don't have to. You flip the pan upside down, make sure it don't fall out. And nice and easily set it right back down in place. Hear the pop? Pressed it all the way down. Oil pan, everything. The whole entire thing is now put back together. This motor is now 100% ungoverned with a brand new oil pan gasket that will never leak again. Now you're all the way down. At this point, however you want to tighten them, tighten them. I crisscross till like my gun chatters. Some thread holes have crap in them. That one's got crap in it. Okay, you guys are going to bitch, whine, cry. This is what I do. This is what I prefer. I don't have a torque wrench. I don't care about specs. This is just a toy. It's no high dollar machine. Crack it, crack it, crack it, all the way around. One time. I've never had an issue this way. At this point, that's sealed. Then you just take your governor arm that you knocked off, slide it back on. And a lot of you guys are going to ask why I do this. Why I do it this particular way. And the reason is, without this rod there, you really have nothing to connect to. As far as linkage and throttle setup goes, you got to build your own. This way I utilize the complete governor arm that's original to the motor with the springs. I just add an extra spring to it to pull it back. That way I just hook up my cable here to the throttle plate, connect it to the governor or the throttle arm, and it's over with. Simple as that, guys. There are a lot of guys out there that don't know how to do the turned exhaust like I do. I take them off, flip them the opposite way than what they are now, and put them back on. But you got to watch sometimes. Some of the newer model intakes, one pipe's a little bit taller than the other, and when you turn it around, you'll hit the tin. You have to cut the tin off, take this bolt out, and get rid of that part of the tin, and it will clear. Other than that, simple as can be, guys. Peace out.